Hello everyone, myself Devianshu Pandey, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Commerce and Management Department in Rama University, Mandhana, Kanpur. Now I am going to teach how to calculate standard deviation under the single index model. Standard deviation means how to calculate risk under single index model. Now we have the question, there are 4 T's and their weighting and alpha I and beta I and also residual variance. So now I am going to teach how to calculate risk under single index model. So firstly I want to say that you have to know, you write the formula of risk sigma square P equal beta square P and sigma square M plus n sigma I is equal to 1 and weighting I square and residual variance square sigma square EI. Okay. Now there will changes in the formula between risk and return. A huge difference between risk and return. Calculating the risk, we use the formula is sigma square P is equal beta square P and sigma square M plus n sigma I is equal 1 weighting I square sigma EI square whole square. What is these? This one and this one. As we know that beta of portfolio and sigma square. What is sigma square? This one is standard deviation. Sigma square, it means market standard deviation. The value is gives there 14% of sigma M. Okay, and weighting square, there is 4 weightings of 4 securities 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.4. Okay, and sigma EI whole square, it means residual variance. So how can we calculate residual variance? And the value of beta portfolio. What is the value of beta portfolio? So first you have to calculate, you will calculate the value of beta portfolio. As you know that n sigma I is equal to 1 weighting I and beta I. We use the value weighting I 0.2 into beta I 1.2 plus 0.3 into 0.8 plus 0.1 into 1.6 plus 0.4 into 1.3. Multiply these 0.24, 0.24, 0.16, 0.16 and 0.52. After multiplying these, we get 0.24, 0.24, 0.16 and 0.52. Now add all these, we will get 1.16. This is the value of beta portfolio. Now we will going to calculate the residual variance. What is residual variance? What is the formula of residual variance? So the formula is n sigma I to the power I is equal to 1 and weighting I square and sigma M square. Weighting is 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.4. Sigma m means standard deviation of market, that is 14%. So we will get the value and we will put the value of sigma m and the weighting. So first one is 0.2 whole square into sigma m is, here is sigma ei, here is sigma ei, because when we calculate residual variance we will put only the value of residual variance, not the standard deviation. So here is residual variance value 320 whole square plus 0.3 into 450 whole square plus 0.1 into 270 plus 0.4 into 180, 0.4 into 180. Now we will calculate all the value of these multiples. So 0.2 का whole square into 320 plus 0.3 whole square into 450 plus 0.1 का whole square into 270 plus 0.4 whole square into 180. So when we multiply this we will get 0.04 into 320 plus 0.09 into 450 plus 0.01 into 270 plus 0.16 into 180. Now I am going to multiply 0.04 into 320 plus 0.09 into 450 plus 0.01 into 270 plus 0.16 into 180. We will get, after calculating and adding these value, we will get 84.8. 84.8. Now after calculating the value of n sigma I is equal 1, weighting I is whole square and sigma ei to the power square to the power 2. So the value of these terms, in formula is 84.8 and the value of beta portfolio is 1.16 and the value of standard deviation of market is 14. So we will, next step we will put the value. We will put the value of all these. Beta portfolio is 1.16 whole square into standard deviation of market is 14 whole square plus these terms we have 84.8. Now calculate these things. When we calculate 1.16 into 1.16 into, then we will get 1.3456. 1.3456 into square of 14. What is the square of 14? As we know that 196 plus 84.8. Now the next step is multiply 1.3456 into 196. The value we will get 263.74 plus 84.8. Now add these. When we add, we will get 4, 8 and 7, 15, 1 carry, 4, 3, 7, 1, 8 and 8, 6, 14, 2, 1, 3. 348.54. We will get sigma square of portfolio 348.54. But this is not an answer, because standard deviation of portfolio is in square. So when there is any square, we will make under root of 348.54. 348.54. The root of 348.54 is 18.67. 18.67. How we get the root of 1, 2, this one? We use this method to find out the value of under root 348.54. The value of under root 348.54 is 18.67. So the standard deviation, it means return. It means risk of the market of the portfolio under single index model is 18.64. Okay. Thank you. It's all about from my side. Thank you.